I don't understand. That's beautiful. I'm more likely to do that if I've tried a sample size. We are going to dive on in. What's up everyone, and welcome to today's video. If you are new here, welcome, and if you've been here before, welcome back. My name is Manders and this is my channel. We talk about a lot of things here. We usually talk about makeup and skincare, sometimes nail polish, we have the occasional unboxing, and I almost always drop something. So if you're interested in any of those things, please stick around, give this video a thumbs up, and subscribe to my channel. Today we are doing an unboxing. This is my June Ipsy bag. It's a little late, but that's okay. We're gonna open it up and see what we think. Ipsy is a monthly subscription. They have multiple different types of subscriptions if you live in the United States. However, if you live in Canada, you're screwed and you only get one option. Thanks, Ipsy. My bitterness towards that alone just drives me bonkers. However, my favorite part of Ipsy is that it comes with a little bag every time, and look at this one. Isn't that the cutest friggin' bag? Love that. It says love, have fun. It makes me really happy. So I opened this when I first got it. I forget what was in it, so we're gonna open it up again and see what I think of it, if I think it's worth the money that I spent. It does come with a card that doesn't give you any information unless you go online. Yeah, you have to go to ipsy.com. What? Never mind, I take that all back. It does come with a card that has all the prices. Thank you for listening, Ipsy. Holy crap, that makes me so happy. Okay, perfect. We are going to dive on in. All right, the first thing is this barrier serum. So this is by Even Prime, packed with antioxidants, ceramides, and peptides. This serum is specifically formulated to help protect your skin barrier against the harmful effects of environmental aggressors like pollution, UV exposure, and blue light. Think of it as a protective shield for your face. Apply a small amount to your face and neck after cleansing before moisturizing. Awesome. So this is a deluxe sample. A full-size version, which would be 40 milliliters, retails for $48 US. This is 10 milliliters, so 4 times as much. Not bad. That's what I like about Ipsy, is you do get small things like this, and I wouldn't normally buy something like that as a full-size serum, but I'm more likely to do that if I've tried a sample size, if that makes any sense. So what's next? Okay, so this is a Lush eyeshadow from IBI Beauty in the shade Desert First. So it comes like that. That's cute packaging. I do have one single shadow from this brand. Okay, so that's it right there. I'm gonna read about it before I swatch it. That's super pretty. Your makeup bag needs this easy to blend shimmery rose gold eyeshadow. The soft powder formula is highly pigmented, ultra creamy, and won't create any fallout thanks to moisturizing vitamin E and rose hip seed oil. Tip: use your favorite shadow brush or your fingers to apply to your lid. This is a sample size, and a full size retails for $20. So I am going to swatch it, of course, because it looks so pretty. It is very soft. That's beautiful. That's swatched so nicely, and that is like honestly like my favorite color ever for eyeshadow. So yeah, really happy about that. Really happy about that. Let's keep going. Next we have, ooh, I'm gonna open this up before I read about it. So this is from the YC Collection Liquid Blush in Frieza. Ooh, serious pigment meets serious hydration. This buildable, blendable liquid blush infuses cheeks with a pop of shimmery pink color, plus it delivers long-lasting moisture thanks to vitamin E and plant oils. Tips: use your fingers, a sponge, or a brush to tap this color onto your cheeks. This is a full-size item, which makes me really happy. I love when that happens, Ipsy. And this retails for $12. So we're gonna swatch it. I actually have never used a cream blush that comes with an applicator like this, so that looks like a perfect color. I'm trying really hard to explore more cream products. That actually was really nice. That blended out really easily. I'm going to definitely be playing around with this you'll probably see this in an upcoming video of new makeup. I've got a lot of new makeup here that I have not used on camera yet, so hopefully I can get some motivation to do some get ready with me type videos. That would make me happy. Farrah Tweez's dual-ended tweezer set. This pretty lilac tweezer has broad slanted tips on one side, great for applying lashes, and pointed tips on the other for super precise plucking. Plus it's made of surgical grade steel so it won't break or easily warp over time. And this is a full size and it retails for $12. I'm actually pretty excited for this. I'm gonna pop it out. I've never received tweezers from Ipsy before. I get brushes all the time. I get brushes from this brand all the time. I actually used a brush from this brand today. So, wow, that's cool. So that side, and then we have this side. Fantastic. I will definitely put those to use. I like that it's dual-sided. That's pretty sweet. And then the last product is, this is the Tarte Lash Paint Mascara. Get thick, falsy-like lashes in one swipe and out-of-this-world drama in two. The magic is in the patented silicone wand. It has multi-length bristles that coat each lash from root to tip for precise application. This is a deluxe sample. A full size retails for $23. So I love when I get small mascaras like this. I am so much more likely to finish this. So I will definitely use this. I'm going through quite a few right now, so I won't be opening it at the moment, but I'm very excited. I love Tarte products so much. And then I did have an add-on item. I actually redeemed this for my points. So I was able to get the Violet Voss Wildflower fun-sized eyeshadow palette. I'm really excited. It has a mirror and it comes with 10 eyeshadows. 1, 2, 3, 4, so 5 shimmers and 5 mattes. I can't wait to play with this. I'll probably film a video with it tomorrow, hopefully. I love Violet Voss eyeshadows. I really do enjoy them. So I'm pretty hopeful. I can tell by looking at this that I'll probably be really happy with it. And that is everything. So I think this was an add-on, so that doesn't matter. But I think this blush, this full-size blush, honestly, I think it's worth the $14 I spent. I think it's a good deal. I have issues with Ipsy though. Sometimes it's not good. Like sometimes it's just not good. Sometimes it's really bad. Sometimes it's really good though. So let me know. Do you like Ipsy? Do you get Ipsy? And what are your thoughts on it on Canada versus the United States? Because personally, I can't, even when they have deals, I can't order because of where I live. I don't understand. BoxyCharm, I can order whatever I want. I can get any level of subscription. I just can't do that here. And it drives me bonkers every single time. Enough of me rambling. I will let you all go. Thank you all so much for hanging out with me today. I absolutely love your continued support. If you haven't already, please do subscribe to my channel and I will see you in the next one. Thanks so much for hanging out and bye for now.